Welcome to the open house slideshow for Team Amistad. First, I'd like to introduce our teachers. Our math teachers are Mr. Aiello and Mrs. McCree. Our ELA teachers are Mrs. Clark Davis and Miss Huey. Our science and social studies teachers are Mrs. Stewart for science and Mr. Combs for social studies. We have one additional teacher on our team who will have a small group of Thunder Time, Mr. Kendrick. Next, meet our administrators. Our 7th grade administrator is Mrs. Bright, and the 7th grade counselor is Mr. DeRiso. This is the schedule that we will be following this year. The schedule will remain the same throughout all of remote learning. We will start every day at 9 o'clock to 9:30 for Thunder Time. Our red block is 1 hour long from 9:40 to 10:40. Yellow block is from 10:50 to 11:50. Then you will have lunch and physical activity time from 11:50 to 12:30. Green block, 12:35 to 1:35. Electives from 1:45 to 2:55. And to end our day will be blue block from 3 to 4. Some of the platforms that we will be using this year are Canvas, Zoom, and it's possible that you will have a couple other live teaching classes that could be on Canvas's platform and also Google Meet. But every student will be using Canvas to log into all of their classes, and all of your work will be posted on there. Next, let's go over some student expectations for the year. Number 1, complete all student trainings to ensure you fully understand how to access Canvas and other instructional materials. Be ready for school each day, physical appearance, behavior, and appropriate learning location. Attend all classes daily and complete all assignments on time. Our grading policy will apply for assignments, tests, projects, and attendance. Make sure to sign in Canvas courses every day in every block. Be active in your virtual meetings. Sign in with your real name, show your face, and share your thoughts. That is a requirement. Ask questions when you need help, virtually in class or through email. Check school's email at a minimum of twice daily, one time prior to starting assignments and another time before you sign off for the day. Homework will be work not completed during the daily instruction block, so students should pace themselves and stay on track with assignments during class time to avoid getting behind and finishing work after school. Follow the Digital Citizenship Honor Code and CMS Code of Conduct guidelines. Communicate with your teachers when you're absent from the whole day or even one block. Also, if you're absent from a block due to an appointment, make sure that you have a parent calling into the office just as if you were in school. Supplies that you will need. For all subjects, you will need a school-issued Chromebook. Social studies, you will need a 1-subject notebook. Science, a 1-subject notebook. ELA, you will receive a workbook that you will be picking up August 12th from 1 to 4 or August 13th from 5 to 7. And math, you need a notebook. Thank you, and we are all excited to see you on Monday, August 17th, and we are looking forward to a great year.